though.
Oh yeah.
Mom.
What is it? What is that?
Chrysler. The purple one down here.
Is that what that is?
Yeah.
Huh?
Is that what that is? All right, guys. Now it's time for some cool shots of the cars. So let's do that. Well guys, that was the inside. It looked amazing, you know, the cars are good. Hopefully next year they make them better, but I think every year's gonna get bigger. I hope so. But check out this bug though. This Beetle's pretty sick. Oh, low. Oh yeah, with the Momo wheel. That's how you do a Beetle. What's it called? 280? I don't know what's the difference. I really don't know. But it's a Z car, so pretty nice. Yeah, that's money. It's not even cracked. The dash is not even cracked. Oh, it's a 280? See? Because of the dash? This is nice. That's nice. With the leather seats, yeah, this is nice. Well, let's take a walk into the event, in the parking lot, to see if anything's changed or not. Bro, a Crown Vic does not need a big, what's it called? Recaro seat or type of that style of seat, bro. It does not. What's up, dude?
What's up, dude?
What's up, man?
Pump the hood, show you goodies.
I did clean it. I did spray it. Yeah, on the inside, yeah. Ooh, let's go check out the purple one. How's it going? Alive? Alive? Stock 350Zs. Hey, it's a 350Z.
She don't know how to use that thing. It's on the
I fucked your bitch and told her I see you around.
What do you think? What do you think? What? What do you think? About what, your car? No, the whole show. What do you think? Oh, it's fucking dope. Yeah, it's cool. The real question is, how come mine doesn't have carpet, but this guy gutted all of his interior and he has carpet? He's just better. He's just better than me. He's just better than me, bro. He's just better than me, bro. Alright, so what's your favorite car? What's your favorite car?
Oh, at the show? Probably the RX-7 inside.
Hey, what's your favorite car at the show?
Your Miata. The Mona Lisa's inside. That shit's fire. The Mona Lisa. The Mona Lisa is inside. It's fire. The Mona Lisa. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Yes, the Mona Lisa.
Fake one.
I know, but still, it's still fire though. It's they're all
What's your
fake.
favorite car at the show?
The Mustang SS.
Which one?
It's inside. I sat in it.
The gray one?
I don't know. There's so many.
She sat inside of it.
Oh, okay.
The one with the guy that lets you sit inside.
My favorite car, probably has to be the RX-7 over there. Probably that. I feel like the RX-7 over there is pretty good. There were some clean builds, but the Hondas and the Del Sol inside was pretty so many.
Hector's not here yet, by the way.
No, he's not coming. What? No, he canceled.
Why?
His flight got canceled.
Fucking loser.
Life, bro. Look at that hat. Ooh, that's a clean hat. Sell for $7,500. You buying that for $7,500?
I don't like the rims.
I want to go check out the Dutch Bros 240.
Yeah, but Dutch Bros 240?
The Dutch Bros 240? That convertible 240 works at Dutch Bros.
Oh shit.
He's always there. Let's go check it out.
Nobody give me shit, nigga. You know what I mean? I had to get out here and straighten this shit up, nigga. Get this shit the hard way. You know what I mean? I had to figure this shit out, nigga. You know what I mean? Just me and my real nigga. You know what I mean? Nigga, you ain't eat off the floor with us, nigga. You ain't eat out the garbage with us, nigga.
Me and my dad been saying
You know what I
this dude
mean?
probably got it from his grandma.
You wasn't there, nigga.
This nigga.
You wasn't there with us, nigga. You had to get it how we
It's
live.
really nice. It's really
I don't
nice.
like the fucking convertible.
It's nice. Let's go check out the purple Honda. I want to go see it.
Oh, that one over there?
Yeah.
Don't that set it up?
So
Yeah, I
right
see
there.
it. God.
Let's go mix up. That's how you do a 350Z right there.
Fuck.
Look at that.
Oh, he's got the quick release. That's it.
Pretty clean. The clear one now.
Oh yeah.
What is that? I can't tell what exhaust that is, but it's pretty big. There's a big sound system in the back.
Oh, I thought that was a fucking Thrasher skateboard, but it was it says a word that I'm scared to say.
Gotta have a Mugen. Gotta have a Mugen. What is it?
I don't know, but it's not.
Oh, that's interesting. Look at these titanium exhaust. Look at that. So shiny. What do you think about these titanium exhausts?
A C8 Corvette.
Is that what that is?
Yeah, C8 Corvette.
Oh wow. Like $2,000.
2 grand.
So guys, there's an R32 GTR. Check that out. It is an R32 with Workmeister rim. Yo, that is clean. Did you see the little Godzilla in the back of the shit?
Yeah. Yeah, ¿qué te metes con madre?
Yeah, that's important. Or 280?
Fucking love it.
What the fuck?
What is that?
He's getting food. Some more cars pulled up. Some Jetta. I actually got a friend that has one of these. It's red, it's bagged. It's pretty cool.
We like to with the process.
Yeah, this one's nice. I really like this one. The Mazda Speed. It's just a really cool car. Well, let's do a time lapse. Spoon-inspired EG Civic. Look at that. Spoon wheels. The Spoon logo. Is it Spoon? Oh no, it's an HKS high power. Has the sub in the back. Carbon wings. Spoon style. Has the JDM clock on it. Overall Spoon-inspired Civic. What is that? Oh, I think it's SDK. Now this S2000 is nice. Look at
Just say the word and I will give you the world. I know you like the fire.
wagon right here.
You know what else is mine to show? You know the style and I love Christian Dior. Chanel Bottega, my baby only wants to go. You know what else is mine to show? You know the style and I love Christian Dior. If I apologize a million times.
Alright, so guys, I just ate. I ate some nachos. Me and my dad were gonna leave for a little bit, come back around 2 hours later. It's barely like 2:53. We're gonna come back later for the low event maybe, and maybe some new people showed up, because right now we already went through everything and it's alright. So we're gonna go back home just to go back home.
2 hours later.
Okay guys, so we're back. Something's going on to the point where they're revving like crazy. So they just had a rev off. The truck sounded good, but check out this Evo. It's American. Well guys, everyone's leaving. Cod trucks are coming in now. This is not good at all. We were just talking to the GTR guy. He's pretty chill dude.
Yo, is that a Supra?
See me on a different type of. Hey, see me.
It's a white R33, and it says GTR, but anyone can put a GTR badge on it. But look at this. It says GTR. GTR. That's nice. These are nice. These are starting to get. You can get one of these for cheaper too. And it has the 400R wing, kind of. It's clean. That was pretty cool. Overall, the event was a really good event. It got loud as soon as the rev off was finished, because everyone started leaving. Alright, we're pulling up on the Supra. Okay. Supra Turbo. Wow, it's OG. You can see it has turbo in it. Does it? Oh yeah, it has turbo. That's nice. But I don't think there's anything else, so yeah, we're gonna walk around. We're leaving now. We're leaving Cars&Cosplay. If you stayed to the end of this video, thank you so much. Drop a like, subscribe, help us out a lot. This event was so much fun, seeing all the builds, seeing everything. So with that being said, see you guys later.